Hi kids, it's Miss Andrews. Today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to make a guitar, and it's all you need to have is some plastic plates. I like plastic plates because they're stronger. You could use paper plates, but these are stronger and they'll last longer. I have about 4 plates stuck together here to make it extra strong. You're going to need some kind of a wooden stick. This is actually an extra large popsicle stick, but you can actually use a paint stick that that you would have in your garage to use to stir paint, or you could just find some kind of long stick. You can even do it without a stick if you needed to. You're going to need some duct tape or some kind of nice strong tape, and of course 4 rubber bands. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rubber bands, and we're only going to put 4 rubber bands on. And the reason why, see, I'm putting them on the plate. Okay, the reason we're using 4 is because we're playing ukuleles in music, and ukuleles only have 4 strings. So I'm going to put the next one on. There we go. And here's the next one. So we're getting that's our 3rd rubber band. Okay. And here is our 4th rubber band. You hear Callie barking outside. Okay, now you can see how I've got them on there. And what's neat about it is that there's space under the plate. So when you strum it, it actually makes kind of a good sound, doesn't it? And that's because these rubber bands can vibrate because there's nothing touching them in the middle, which is cool. So then you're going to take your popsicle stick, and you're going to take it, and Miss Anna's going to pull off a piece of tape. Now, I actually know how to tear tape, but you might need scissors. And you're going to tape the handle, and actually this is called the neck of the guitar, onto the back. Okay, so then you have your guitar, and it's actually fun. And I'm going to play you some fun country music to play with it. So here we go. Okay. That's all I have for this lesson. I love you all so much, and I hope you're enjoying our fun activities in music and art, all the related arts teachers. And I love you so, so much. So have a wonderful day. Bye.